Why most Christmas light businesses struggle, and how to fix it fast. Every Christmas light business owner hits this wall. You get busy, you hire fast, and suddenly, you're stuck training new people again, explaining the same things, over and over, losing jobs, losing time, losing your mind. Every fall, it's the same chaos. You need installers, you find people, but then it's you who ends up doing all the training. And when you're the trainer, the manager, the salesperson, and the installer, you burn out fast. There's no system, no structure, and every mistake costs you money. Sound familiar? You've got a short season to make it count, but instead of focusing on sales and scaling, you're babysitting new hires, repeating yourself, or hoping they just figure it out. And let's be real. When you don't train right, things get missed. Lights don't work. Customers complain. You lose time doing callbacks and repairs. It all adds up. Fast. That's why we built the Christmas Light Academy, the only online employee training system made for this industry. Your installers get real-world training before they ever step on a ladder. We teach them the tools, the parts, how installs work, and even how to troubleshoot issues. It's like handing your new hires a head start, so you can finally stop doing it all yourself. Here's what it gives you. No more wasting time training from scratch. Get your team up to speed faster. Focus on growing, not babysitting. Feel confident knowing they passed a 50-question quiz at the end. It's just $299 to get started, and then $89 a month after that. This is the lowest cost solution to take training off your plate. For good. No more guessing. No more chaos. Just a simple system that works. Click the link in the description. Get your team trained and your business ready before the season hits full speed. This is how you scale. This is how you win the season. Let's make it your smoothest year yet.